Hey there, Drew Canoli. Welcome to another Mindset Monday. I get asked often how to find your tribe, how to not feel alone. Maybe you're watching this and you feel alone. Maybe there's not a lot of people in your area where you live. There's not a lot of people that do what you do. Who are you when you're alone by yourself? How do you get really clear on 3 things that you love to do and where you would like to acquire similar people like you? For me, the gym is one of them. I love the gym, I love nature, and I love music. So if I'm in a state of doing these 3 things, I know there's gonna be like-minded people in there. But it's important to raise your frequency up to attract what it is that you want, those people, those relationships. Maybe it's a romantic partnership that you're looking for. And to raise your frequency, it's as simple as doing what you love often. Finding joy in everything that you do. Finding love, finding peace, serenity. So raising your frequency up is going to call in maybe the one that you're looking for, or maybe other people that are meant to be in your tribe. Schedule it in your calendar, frequency breaks, frequency adjustments. Maybe it's going to the park. Maybe it's, I have a dog now, Sage. Maybe you guys have seen him on my Instagram, but I play with my puppy every day, and it's the most beautiful thing on the planet. So the moral of finding your tribe is to really find you. Find yourself, find the deepest version, the biggest version of who you are, and then be in that state often. And then once you're there, you're going to start attracting people, places, situations, and circumstances in your life that are insane. You have people surrounded around you that are so full of love, that are so full of light, that believe in who you are as a human. They're there supporting you. They're there holding you a year from now. And you can start to see this. And maybe spend some time journaling what this new tribe is saying to you a year from now. What this new tribe is saying to you 5 years from now, 10 years from now. What does this tribe look like? Who are these people around you? Right? I did this at the beginning of FitLifeTV, and it completely blew me away. And you can too. So, as always, big thumbs up. Do the journaling, leave some comments below. Let me know what you love about yourself, okay? I got a book coming out October 16th. Check it out, You Be You. As always, remember, we're in this together, and I'll see you soon.